National Means Calm Merit Scholarship NMMS 2013-14. SAT Paper 2 Social Science Questions and Answers with Explanation. Part 1. Let's begin our first question. Choose the most appropriate answer from the 4 choices given below. First, the book Buddha Charita was written by. Options are A. Ashwaghosha, B. Kalhana, C. Kautilya, D. Taranath. First, let's see explanation. Kalhana's Rajatarangini, Kautilya's Arthashastra, Taranath's History of Buddhism in India, Ashwaghosha's Buddha Charita, based on epic life of Mahatma Buddha in classical Sanskrit language, Ashwaghosha contemporary to Kanishka. Our right answer is A. Ashwaghosha. Question number 2. This river separates India into North India and South India. Options are Ganga River, Narmada River, Godavari River, Krishna River. Explanation. First, Ganga River is northern river. Godavari River is southern river. Krishna River is also southern river. Narmada River is center flowing river. Our right option is B. Narmada River. 3. An important source to prove that the Sindhu Saraswati civilization had a maritime trade. Options are available resource of Harappa, available resource of Mohenjo-daro, available ship dockyard resource of Lothal, available resource of Kalibangan. Explanation. A huge construction is found in Lothal, Gujarat, which is the most probably a ship dockyard. That's why our right option is C. Available ship dockyard resource of Lothal. Fourth, the king who ruled Egypt were called as. Options are Pharaohs, Mummy, Hyksos, Sphinx. Let's see first explanation. Mummy, ancient Egyptians' dead body would be smeared with various chemical and wrapped with a cloth. The entire body was in this way preserved. The Great Sphinx of Giza is a limestone of a reclining sphinx, a mythical creature with the head of human and body of lion. Third, Egypt was ruled over by an Arabian shepherd tribe called Hyksos. For the kings of Egypt were called pharaohs. Pharaohs means a person who lives in a palatine house. Our right option is A. Pharaohs. Fifth, in Mesopotamian civilization, Jagurat means. Options are the forts constructed on artificial hills, the worshipping places constructed on artificial hills, the houses constructed on artificial hills, the palaces constructed on artificial hills. Explanation. Mesopotamians, after coming to the plains, built artificial hills and established their places of worship there. These were called Jagurat. The Jews called these the Tower of Babel. So our right option is B. The worshipping places constructed on artificial hills. 6. The king who built the Great Wall of China. Options are Hammurabi, Nebuchadnezzar, Shi Huangdi, Ptolemy. Explanation. First, Hammurabi, famous for his ancient rock known as a Hammurabi's Law or Code. The Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylonia, created the legendary hanging gardens of Babylonia on the banks of river Euphrates around 17th century BCE, before Common Era. Ptolemy's 100 Common Era to 170 Common Era, an Egyptian astronomer, mathematician, and geographer of Greek descent. Fourth Qin Emperor Shi Huangdi ordered that the walls of the northern Chinese states be constructed. This work came completed 16th century. It stretched to more than 5,000 kilometers. That's why right option is C. Shi Huangdi. 7. Olympic Games are the contribution of. Options are civilization of Egypt, civilization of China, civilization of Rome, civilization of Greek. Let's see options. Olympic Games began in Greece in 776 before Common Era. The games which were held once every 4 years. Our right option is D, civilization of Greek. The wrestlers or fighters of Rome were called, options are patricians, plebeians, heroes, gladiators. Let's see option. The patricians were elite in the society. They were landowners and formed the upper class. They controlled the senate. The plebeians were the common people. They were the ordinary workers, small landowners, artisans, small traders, and soldiers. The prisoners and slaves as gladiators. Romans amused at the combat of the gladiators from the amphitheater. A majority of the slaves and prisoners lost their lives in such games. Our right option is D, gladiator. The Inca civilization spread in the areas of, options are Peru, Chile only, Chile, Argentina only, Peru, Chile, Ecuador, Peru, Chile, Ecuador, Argentina. See the map. The Inca Empire, which flourished during the 15th and 16th centuries, spread in the area of Peru, Ecuador, Chile, and Argentina. Our right option is D, Peru, Ecuador, Chile, Argentina. 10th, the Indian philosophical pillars are, options Vedas, Brahmanas, Shat Darshanas, Aranyaka. Let's see, explain. Vedas, the word has its root in the dhatu with, which means knowledge, vidya, vidvamsa, vidyarthi. Take from the same root sound. 4 Vedas are Rig, Yajur, Sam, Atharva. Brahmanas, that part of the Veda which describes system and order of conducting yajnas. Aranyaka, that part which describes the interdisciplinary meaning of hymns and rituals. Finally, 6 darshanas or Shat darshanas, Indian philosophical pillars. The Shat darshanas are Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, Yoga, Purva Mimamsa, and Uttara Mimamsa. Our right option is C, Shat darshanas.